All right, I'm gonna break down the best trading setup on Webull for options trading. This is what I personally use every day to make my money. And yeah, I'm gonna break it down. We're gonna make this video super quick and easy. So let's get into it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. And so yeah, let's get into it. Don't mind the activate windows in the corner. I'm not broke. I just didn't activate my Windows key after I reset up my computer. So first, you're gonna want to add a chart. If you're like me and use a third-party charting website like TradingView or something like that, you don't really need a chart on it. I just always put a chart on it. Just helps with all the numbers and the chaos. So I always add that. You want to grab an options chain. You want to grab a quote. You want to grab time and sales. Put it in that corner for some reason. You want to grab the level 2. And then you're going to want to go into trade. You're going to want to grab active trade. We'll set that up for options in a second. Excuse me. You're going to want to grab your orders and positions. And then I think that's all we need on that one. And then we're going to want to go into stocks or into general and grab the watch list. And so we're just going to, you can set these up however you personally want to. I always put my chart in the corner. I combined my orders and positions into one. Always put my positions first. I put those in my bottom left, and then I put my active trader in between just so that my positions and my active trader are close so that I can manage my trading, because I like to scalp a lot. And we'll go through how to set up active trader for options in a second. But you want to make sure those are like that. You want to throw the positions in there. That's how I set up that. And then I always put my quote right up here just so that there's something next to that beautiful chart we have right there. Then you want to grab your time and sales and your level 2. You can make these go down to the full page to fill up the space if you want to, or if you guys want to add any of the volume statistics in the thing, you can also grab that all from there. We got to move that real quick so it doesn't get lost behind this. Then we're going to want to grab this all the way down. You guys don't obviously have to make them so big. It's kind of unnecessary if they're this big, but we'll do this for the video. Mine are a little bit different, but next you want to grab your watch list, throw it under that. Make it so it fills up that beautiful space right there. And then you have your orders or your option chain right there. And then you can go ahead and just make sure that there's no gaps anywhere so that it's all filled out. And you got this nice little beautiful setup right here. And then we'll get into active trader, how to set it up for options right now. So you're gonna wanna click on this little corner part and then active trade settings. You're gonna wanna cross out all of these ones that say for stocks right here. Next, you want to go to options. I always buy the ask and sell the bid. And so you're buying the asking price, you're selling the bidding price, right? And then you can leave the order confirmation. I personally don't have the order confirmation because I trade a lot of quick scalps and I don't want to be bombarded with, are you sure you want to do this type of thing? You want to make sure you have the quantity right there to adjust. And then you can leave the cancel all, but if you're going to leave the cancel all, you're going to want to make sure it's cancel all stock options. And then you can leave the close, even though there's different ways to close it by just clicking on your position and selling the bid. And then I leave all of that, and then you click done, and that is all set up for active trading option contracts. Next, you're gonna wanna make sure they're all paired together. So how you're gonna be able to click on this, if you wanted to click on this 382, how you're gonna make that show up everywhere is right in these corners where it says set group. You wanna make sure they're all set onto one. You don't really need to set the positions and orders onto one because that's just going to go off your whole account. So you're going to want to just make sure all of these are set as the same group, and I will show you guys why in just 1 second. So now if I click on this SPY 383 contract, they're going to change these to SPY 383. These are all the calls for it. You can also make these so that they're not for the specific option, but right now it is set on those specific options. So you can see the time and sales in the order book, and then you can hit the watch list. So if I hit Amazon right here and I wanted to look at Amazon, it's gonna pull up everything for Amazon. These are the time and sales for the Amazon stock, not the option right there. And so yeah, that's basically how you set it up. That's my setup. I want to make this video under 5 minutes, which we hit that. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if you guys are gonna use this setup. Let me know if it helped you. And yeah, hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all have a blessed night. Go do something productive or don't. I can't really tell y'all what to do, but yeah, I enjoy it.